introduction to Salesforce. So Salesforce is world's #1 CRM. Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM, which basically means it implements the concept of infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service, and multi-tenancy. So all of the concepts we have understood in the previous videos, Salesforce is a combination of all of them together. So what it does is it offers a plug and play functionality of using the CRM. So what you do is you just go and log in and you have the whole CRM with you, the whole world of CRM with you. You can do n number of things by just logging in straight away and without doing any modifications. There's so much available straight out of the box. You can just go and boom, start working on it. Please share your questions, comments, and feedback in the comments section.